Ever dreamt of running a business in a small town but feel like every idea out there has already been taken? Today, we're covering 7 original, profitable, small-town business ideas that you've probably never heard of. These ventures thrive in smaller communities, stand out from the crowd, and offer massive potential for profit. From cozy gathering spots to eco-friendly solutions, each idea is designed to have you pulling in big numbers while becoming a staple in your community. Get ready to be inspired and amazed by these unique business gems. Let's jump right in, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for idea number 1. It's a surprising, retro-inspired concept that people are already loving, and it's one of the best ways to make consistent profits in a small town. Let's kick things off with an unexpected twist: opening a vintage board game cafe. This isn't your average coffee shop, it's a nostalgic haven where people come to unwind, reconnect, and have a blast with classic board games. Imagine shelves filled with everything from Scrabble and Monopoly to quirky vintage games that spark conversation. Here, you're providing a place for fun and community bonding, something that's irresistible in a small town. To enhance the experience, decorate the cafe with retro decor, offer a menu of nostalgic snacks and themed drinks, and host regular game tournaments. You can even hold family game nights or trivia Thursdays to draw in groups of all ages. With the right vibe, you'll become a beloved local hangout where regulars return week after week. Potential profit. This business has the potential to bring in between $80,000 to $120,000 per year. With low operating costs and high markups on food and drink, you're set for a great return on investment. The best part? The demand is steady because board games never go out of style, and the sense of community you foster will keep people coming back for more. Pizza lovers, rejoice! Our next idea is a mobile wood-fired pizza truck. Everyone loves a good slice, and what's better than freshly made pizza with that perfect wood-fired taste? Setting up a mobile pizza business means you can move to where the action is: local events, farmers markets, or even right in the town center on weekends. A wood-fired oven brings something extra special to the table. It's the aroma that draws people in, and the taste that keeps them coming back. One key to success here is crafting a unique menu. Offer specialty pizzas that you don't find at typical chains, like a spicy buffalo chicken pizza or a savory prosciutto and arugula option. The flexibility of a food truck allows you to experiment with flavors and combinations that resonate with your community. Potential profit. A mobile wood-fired pizza business can earn between $70,000 to $150,000 annually, depending on the number of events and customer turnout. Pizza has high profit margins, especially when made fresh, and a wood-fired setup lets you charge premium prices. Imagine the popularity you'll gain as people start raving about the best pizza in town, and the low overhead keeps profits high. If there's one thing that small towns love, it's unique, fun-filled activities. A miniature golf course and cafe combo is a hit with families, friends, and couples looking for entertainment that's just around the corner. Instead of the standard course, create a themed mini golf experience. Think jungle adventure, retro neon nights, or even a seasonal theme that changes throughout the year. Pair this with a cafe that offers refreshments and light snacks, and you have a winning combo. People can enjoy a round of mini golf and then grab a coffee or a snack without needing to leave the venue. This can easily become a favorite weekend spot in town, ideal for birthday parties, date nights, or family gatherings. Potential profit. Once established, a mini golf course and cafe could bring in between $100,000 to $200,000 in annual profits. Mini golf has relatively low upkeep costs, and combining it with a cafe means you're maximizing every customer visit. When you offer a memorable experience with a local touch, you'll quickly become a go-to spot, boosting both your business and the town's social life. Unique pet spa with on-site photography. For all the pet lovers out there, consider opening a unique pet spa with on-site photography. People adore their pets, and they're often willing to spend top dollar on grooming services, especially when it includes a fun twist. Here's where the photography part comes in. After each grooming session, offer a mini photo shoot. Owners will love getting professional quality pictures of their freshly groomed pets, and it's an upsell that can significantly boost your revenue. Offering themed photo shoots like holiday pets or birthday bash will add an extra appeal to your services. And if you have a flair for marketing, you can even post the cutest client photos on social media to attract more pet-loving customers. Potential profit: pet spas with photography packages can earn between $60,000 and $120,000 annually, depending on the location and customer loyalty. Grooming alone has solid profit margins, and adding photography boosts the appeal without adding much extra cost. People want high-quality grooming and love showing off their pets, especially in smaller towns where pet services are limited. This business idea is a guaranteed heart-melter that also happens to be highly profitable. DIY Craft Workshop Studio. Another unique business idea that's sure to be a hit in a small town is a DIY craft workshop studio. This is a space where people come to make their own crafts, learn new skills, and take home something they created themselves. From wood signs and holiday decor to pottery and candles, the possibilities are endless. To keep things fresh, you can offer themed workshops for kids, families, and adults alike. Hosting seasonal events like fall decor, DIY, or holiday ornament making brings in groups throughout the year. This type of business encourages people to get creative, unwind, and socialize, making it both enjoyable and profitable. Potential profit. With steady bookings and workshop fees, a DIY studio can bring in between $50,000 and $100,000 annually. Class sizes, frequency, and the range of crafts you offer all affect profit margins, but it's easy to scale with the right marketing. In a small town, this business has the potential to become a favorite gathering place, ideal for private events and team-building workshops, ensuring a steady stream of loyal customers. Eco-friendly refill station. As more people embrace sustainable lifestyles, an eco-friendly refill station is a business that not only taps into a growing trend, but also serves a real community need. Instead of buying new plastic containers every time, customers bring in their own bottles and containers to refill products like soaps, shampoos, detergents, and other household essentials. With low startup costs and minimal overhead, this business appeals to eco-conscious consumers and offers them a way to reduce waste while supporting a local business. You can even offer discounts to customers who bring reusable containers, encouraging sustainability and repeat business. Potential profit: eco-friendly refill stations can net between $60,000 to $100,000 annually, especially as sustainability gains more traction. The low operating costs and consistent demand make this a reliable small-town business. By positioning yourself as the local go-to for sustainable products, you'll create a loyal customer base and build a brand that locals are proud to support. Outdoor adventure gear rental and guided tours. Is your small town located near nature trails, lakes, or mountains? Then starting an outdoor adventure gear rental and guided tour service is a no-brainer. Offer equipment rentals for outdoor activities like bikes, kayaks, and camping gear, and pair them with guided tours for an unforgettable experience. The idea is simple. Locals and tourists want to explore, but they may not own the necessary gear. By providing quality equipment and offering guided tours, you'll meet that need and deliver a memorable experience they'll rave about. Potential profit. With rental fees and tour services, you could make between $80,000 to $150,000 per year, depending on demand and local tourism. Outdoor activities have high profit potential, especially during peak seasons, and rentals mean recurring income. This business allows you to combine your love for nature with a profitable venture, all while helping others enjoy the outdoors. It's a win-win. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.